Shading is a process developed in Japan to increase the levels of amino acids in the leaves, which means they usually would cover all the tea plantation to stop direct sunlight exposure from the plants, which will increase the content of chlorophyll in the leaves, making teas have a very intense umami flavor. So from these kind of teas, we actually source our matchas, and of course, the famous of all the shaded teas, Gyokuro, so our Praise of Shadows, is also coming from this region, as well as one of our best-selling Japanese green teas, Daikoku or Kabusecha, which is a tea that has partially been shaded for only a few weeks.
So basically, 2 leaves and 1 bud is the best quality of tea. But as long as Gyokuro is concerned, these kind of lower part of tea leaves are soft enough to make teas.
Okay.
So when you grow tea leaves as they do, you can get like 7 tea leaves, but which is not a good quality of Gyokuro. So in order to stop tea leaves from growing further, they cover tea trees like this and stop exposing tea leaves from sunlight. So this is exactly the perfect quality of Gyokuro.
So all the chemical compounds will just concentrate in these 5 leaves.
Exactly, nutrients, right, like amino acids.
What would be the main difference between Kabusecha and Gyokuro?
Although those 2 types of teas undergo shading process, the shading period is different. So generally speaking, Gyokuro undergoes 3 weeks of shading, but Kabusecha just goes 10 days to 14 days basically. So the Kabusecha undergoes much shorter shading period.